How to make teams in Roblox Studio. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments or just leave a like so I actually know that this video helped you out as well. So let's get started right away. So I'm over here in Roblox Studio, and this is a quick place I created. Now, if you're new to Roblox Studio, we need to have two things open, and that is the toolbox here on the left and the explorer here on the right. Now, what you want to do is go to view. You want to make sure to enable the explorer here and also the toolbox, just like that. It's right over there. Now, what we need to do is add a neutral spawn. So if you click on this once, it will add a new spawn location. But I'm going to move this around right over here, put it on the ground just like that. Now we have two spawns, and I'm going to zoom out a bit, and we have them right over here inside our workspace, as you can see. Now I'm going to rename them both to a color. Now you can do that by, if you click on the name once and then again, you can see that I can now change this. So I'm going to change that real quick. So I changed the names to blue spawn and orange spawn. I'm going to click on the blue spawn, and then here where we can see brick color, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to give this a color. So I personally like this color, really blue. And then also for the orange one, I'm going to do this one over here. This should be fine. And now that we have created our spawns, we need to do a very important step, and that is by scrolling all the way to the bottom. And here we can see teams, right? Now what we need to do is, first of all, disable neutral. And if you would like that, we can also allow team change on touch. So if you would like people to be able to change their team by simply walking over to the other spawn, you can enable that as well. And here for the team color, I'm going to select the same blue in this case. And then for orange, I'm going to select the same orange, disable neutral, and enable allow team change on touch. Now we need to do one more thing, and that is by going to the teams folder over here. We need to add the two actual teams, because now we have only created the spawns, but we need the teams, of course. So here I'm going to click on team. Once again, click on team by clicking on this plus icon, by the way. Now I'm going to rename them both just like that, blue team and orange team. Now I'm going to change again them to the same color we had. And now you're pretty much done. We can simply click on play to test it out. And there we go. You can now see that currently I am in the blue team. Now if I walk over to the orange team, we can see that I have switched teams right over there. In the chat, it says that as well. That's how to make teams in Roblox Studio.